We are starting the episode with a walk with the dogs. It's a beautiful day. In a bit, I'm gonna head inside and do the final dirty work with the walls. I am gonna fix the last set of tubes for the bathroom and the hallway. We have a tiny helper. Anna is doing work in here, dressed as a crazy person. And I am doing last set of tubing. I'm gonna fix that, but on that side, basically way up there, which is rather difficult to reach. So the idea is to do it from the bathroom. So I'm going to do a hole here, straight through, and then pull the tubing this way instead. We had the electrician here the other day, just go through the last bits. We're also doing one hole here and one here, and then attach everything up to right over there. We are also doing one last hole over here and also attaching this cable today. So that's going to be it for all the spotlights that's going to illuminate the ceiling in the future. It would have been much nicer to do work outside today though. The weather is lovely. The holes are done. Now I just have the best bit left, which is cutting that whole trace here, which is dusty, messy, and not my favorite thing to do, but it will be the last bit of dirty work until we're doing that thing, which is months away. There we go. Now I just need to pull all the new tubing in. I love the fact that I cleaned up here before and I removed all the tools here. That's great because they're now in much better condition. I made a complete mess again, as usual. Could have been here, but I'm stuck here instead, being completely dusty again, as usual. Here's Anna with the escapee. He keeps not wanting to be left alone in the stables, so he's gonna spend some time in the house instead, which I'm sure he will not like. I thought I was finished with the dusty work, just as I was about to start cleaning that mess, I forgot about this. I need to do that line as well. So yeah, it's all good times, living the dream in Italy. So finally, that's gonna be it for now. I didn't film that. I think you guys have seen enough of me doing that kind of work. I'm gonna do some cleanup here and then start putting the tubes in. So I'll just do a YouTube cleanup. And with that, I am going to start putting the tubes in. That's gonna go here, as well as in the bathroom. So yeah, cue the time lapse of me putting tubes in. That's gonna be it for this episode. I'm gonna keep it a bit shorter. I wish you have had an amazing Christmas holiday. I will be back on 1st of January with a slightly longer episode. Thank you to everyone who checked out the web shop, and thank you to everyone who bought anything. If you want to support the channel, you can always press the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the 1st of January. Until next time.